Parang gamit. In my day, in my life, mga unta. Mga itong sudan mga kaidol, mga bro. Ara bro, itong sudan bro. Ciao bro, daw natay utan. Mga unta ling yun dia. That's it, everybody. This is a vegetable and pizza. And one, they have one head of a fish salt. Only this one. My this is the Filipino foods. If you have no bite to the meat, this only. But this is the good, like noodles, cannot good for the health. But sometimes only can eat this. I have to buy of in the market red meat, fish, but usually sometimes eat only fish if you have money. That one head of the fish salt. I hope you enjoy watching for my eat. Enjoy watching for my eat. I English speaking because they have watching from other country. Not understand Philippines language. That's why I'm mixing Taga Bisaya and English. Yep, knife, kamatang. I hope you enjoy watching. I'm from Philippines, but only small words can speak English. I speak English. Sometimes I can understand if the English is very big, deep, very deep. Like this. If you see that this is a vegetable leaves, came from leaves of garden. But this fish salt is very nice, but it's not. This salt is not good for the kidneys. And this is noodles. You eat this only sometimes. Don't eat every day because not good for the heart. Done. I eat this because they have no choice.
Paano na pala? Wala na bigyan tao na.
Tao. Ito ba?
Wala mga tao.
Okay, ito ba?
Wala ang gitano. Taon, dahil ang gitano. Wala pa?
Wala pa.
Manag, tawag. Tawag gayon. Isa.
You eat this only sometimes. Akong dahil kan ba? Pas ka ba? Doon video ko dito. Pas mo ka naman. You eat this fish salt. Don't eat every day. Sometimes only because not good for the heart. Because they have I don't know. They have side effects of if you eat the salt fish. And this noodles not put good heart because very they have ingredient to have a side effect to our kidney. Like this is water of the, that's why I cannot show you this because not good for that. Only I eat this vegetable, it's good. Good. Thank you for watching.